The DJI RC Motion 2 offers an immersive control experience, allowing users to navigate their drones with just a tilt of the wrist and a joystick, making flying an intuitive and enjoyable activity. Designed for single-handed use, this controller is multifunctional and can be operated comfortably for extended periods, enhancing your flying sessions with ease of use. Its upgraded joystick provides smooth multidirectional operation, ensuring precise altitude and direction control for both takeoffs and landings, as well as for executing complex maneuvers. The DJI RC Motion 2 is compatible with a wide range of DJI products, including various models of drones and goggles, making it a versatile choice for drone enthusiasts. The controller's lightweight design with a weight of 170 grams ensures that users can enjoy long flights without experiencing fatigue. DJI's attention to detail in the design of the RC Motion 2 makes it a standout accessory for those looking to elevate their drone flying experience.